All right, let's talk about what we are doing today in class on Monday, February 22nd. So of course, make sure you're doing your check-in question right here. The next thing you are going to do is work on the Edpuzzle tutorial on the LEQ. So we spent last class and the class before talking about the pieces and parts that go in to writing the LEQ essay. And you also completed that Jamboard activity. So that Jamboard was key because it allowed you to plan out your writing. So when you do that, you should feel confident about writing this essay. So I'm actually going to move this Jamboard to our module for today, okay? So you're first going to complete this Edpuzzle tutorial. There's a few questions throughout, so it just gets you all ready for constructing the essay. And then after that, I'm going to have you open up your Jamboard in a new tab. And then you'll go back to the module for today. All right, so now we're going to get into our comparative essay after you complete the Edpuzzle, okay? So you have a few options for submitting this. First and foremost, you need to click on this link right here, and you're going to hit Make a Copy. All right, now you have your own copy of this comparative essay. So you're going to use your pre-writing Jamboard to construct this essay below. So I'm going to be utilizing the AP LEQ essay rubric to grade this assignment. So it's right down here. We went over this a few times in class, but also on the assignment, you're going to see that it's down below as well. So that way I can go through when you submit your assignment and grade it utilizing that rubric. All right, so it's really, really important that you use your time wisely, okay, and that you're thorough. If you're having any issues or you have any questions, Thursday is not the day to let me know that. You need to meet with me on Wednesday so I can properly assist you for writing this essay, all right? So it's due on the 25th, that's this Thursday. We're gonna be starting a new project and a new unit that day, which I'm pretty excited about. So you wanna make sure you have that essay submitted so I can grade it, all right? You have a few options for submission. You can upload this Google Doc and submit, or you can write out this assignment, so on a piece of note paper, whatever floats your boat, or maybe you have a printer, you want to print it out and write it inside the graphic organizer. All right, so if you decide to do that, you can take pictures and there's an option to upload those on Canvas. And if you have any questions on that, just let me know. So you're going to complete the graphic organizer. It's nicely laid out for you. And guess what? You did that pre-writing Jamboard, so it's a nice little roadmap to what you're supposed to be doing for this essay, okay? So after the Edpuzzle, you're going to start working on this. So if you need any assistance on this, please let me know. I am here to help you out, and it is due next class.